Welcome to Top Points. A significant legal discussion has shaken the United States trade landscape as a federal appeals court has ruled that most of former President Donald Trump's tariffs are illegal. The 4-7 decisions from the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit concluded that Trump overstepped his presidential authority when imposing these tariffs under the International Emergency Economic Powers Act of 1977. The court emphasized that while International Economic Emergency Power Act grants the president emergency powers, it doesn't explicitly authorize the imposition of tariffs which traditionally fall under Congress authority. This ruling directly addressed the so-called Liberation Day tariffs introduced in April 2025, which applied reciprocal duties of up to 50% on countries with trade deficits with the United States. It also covers tariffs aimed at imports from China, Canada, and Mexico, designed to combat illegal drug trafficking and other national security concerns. Importantly, tariffs imposed under the other legal authorities, such as those on steel and aluminium, remain unaffected by the decision. Despite the court ruling, these tariffs will remain in effect until October 14, 2025, giving the Trump administration's time to appeal the case to the U.S. Supreme Court. Officials have expressed confidence that the Supreme Court could resolve the decision, citing the need to address national emergencies related to trade imbalances and illicit activity. The legal challenge originated from a combination of small business and Democratic-led states, arguing that also Congress possesses constitutional authority to impose taxes and tariffs. This decision highlights the ongoing debate over the balance of power between the executive and the legislative branches when it comes to trade policy. Experts say this ruling may set a precedent for future trade disputes, clarifying the limits of presidential power in economic policy. The implications are expected to affect U.S. trade negotiations and ongoing tariff discussions worldwide as business and foreign partners monitor the legal developments closely. As the case moves potentially to the Supreme Court, all eyes remain on Washington for how this legal challenge will shape U.S. trade policy in the coming months. Thanks for watching Top Point. If you found this update informative, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for the latest coverage of event shaping the Middle East and global news.